If you want to restore backup from a Google Drive or Google account on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then you can do this during the initial configuration or right after that. If you are still in the initial configuration, you need to find this option over here, this menu, copy apps and data, which usually appears after connecting to Wi-Fi, something like that. And in this case, you just want to go next. In here, you want to choose that you can't use other device, and you will have to sign into a Google account. There we go. We have the sign in with ease, so we're gonna go next. And if you can't sign in like that, we can tap sign in other way, and you can of course find credentials that you can enter. I mean the fields in which you can enter your credentials to sign into your account. Once you go through the process of signing in, you should be able to find your backups if you have any on your account, of course. And that is pretty much it. And of course, as I mentioned, you can also do this after the initial configuration. It is possible to find a notification about finishing setting up the device. If you still have it, you can of course use it, and then you will have access to many of the features that you still have during the initial configuration, and this includes the same menu that we have just here. So you should also have the option to restore the backup from Google Drive. Leave a like and subscribe.